What's up, everybody? Brandon with Airsoftjunkiez here. Today we have a Heretic Labs build from a customer. This has a bunch of really cool stuff on it, plus one of our new HK Army Alpha Air tanks. It's going to be the 15-4500 variant. It's great on UGS and Wraith builds if you've got one, or the tank stocks, obviously. Very, very light. So inside this build we have a 0.32 gram HBA BB inside the EPM ones. So we're going to see what this thing can do. Alrighty guys, if you want builds like this, give us a call. We can upgrade Heretic Labs very well. We got lots of them in stock, so check out our website. See you guys in the next one.